36 at 5 or 6 in the morning.
You crawling up by Daddy?
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Daddy.
Oh, your hands are cold. Ah, you can't bite on Daddy's knee. Daddy's knee is not for biting. It's for loving.
What you doing over there, little boy?
Play Adele.
Playing Adele. Shut up.
He's coming back for you. I can get up so easily now, Mommy. Mm-hmm. Yes, I can. Yeah, tell Daddy. Tell him all about it, kid. Dance for us. Yeah. Rock it, baby.
You filming that?
He looks like he's dancing. Hey there, boy. Gregory. Uh-oh. What are you picking up there?